Hello, it's around 8 o'clock on May the 5th, 2021. Hello, and welcome to this weather update. And the rain has just really been lingering across our area today. We have a very slow-moving cold front that is inching its way toward our area tonight. But we've been kind of cool and damp all day with some light rain on and off. We have temperatures generally in the mid to upper 50s, but it's humid out there. Look at these dew points also in the mid to upper 50s. We even have some a 62-degree dew point being reported in Dix Hill. So definitely on the humid side out there across our area. And of course, it's a little warmer in Jersey with even higher dew points. But where's this cold front? Well, it looks like it's finally west of New York City right now. And the drier air, if we look here at the dew points, you see the drier air is still kind of hanging back into Pennsylvania. So it's a very slow-moving cold front, very slow-moving. And we've also had lingering showers across the area. This is the rain. We had some rain in the afternoon. Now we have some more rain heading our way, looking at the radar here. So we're still not done yet. It's just inching along here. We'll just put this into motion here. It's just literally inching along these showers. It's just moving very slow. I would say about 20 miles an hour or less. Very, very slow movement of these showers. And we're not really going to dry out until after 10 o'clock tonight. It was supposed to dry out after like 4 o'clock today. So this front's moving slower, a lot slower than we expected. And here is the satellite. Obviously, plenty of clouds around. No sun today. Plenty of clouds. Let's go look at how much rainfall fell today. Well, let's see. It probably wasn't a whole lot of rain. We'll go ahead and we'll look at the rainfall for today and see how much rain has fallen today. Probably not a whole lot. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, very little. Yeah, generally a quarter of an inch. It's amazing though, walking around Mineola as the rain was trying to let up late in the afternoon. I still saw a lot of puddles, a lot of deep puddles. I don't know, but the drainage here is not good at all. So it looked like more rain than we actually got. We only got a quarter of an inch at the most across our area. Not that much rain. It's just a light rain that just wants to linger all day long. A little less in Jersey, but just a light rain that's just been lingering. Light to maybe occasionally moderate. Mostly light rain. It's just been lingering all day long. I mean, as the Cranberries would say, do you have to let it linger? Do you have to let it linger? Looking at this, you'll use this as well to show you the temperatures as well. Mid-50s across our area. You can see the cold front. It is entering parts of New Jersey right now. It's moving very, very slowly. A very slow-moving cold front. Much, much slower than the models anticipated. That is, again, due to climate change. And, it makes it harder for us to predict the weather. The models can't handle it as much. So, still, we're not really going to get these dew points down until we get into this air here, which is over Pennsylvania and upstate New York. And we finally get these dew points down. Honestly, the air down behind this front does not look all that dry. We have to go way back, way back into Indiana to see the drier air. So it's really just moving very slowly. And you can see over parts of New Jersey have dew points even higher into the mid-60s even. Ouch. So that is quite humid. So let's take a look at the models and see. The models, pretty much, we're, kind of like way off with today. We're supposed to clear out by now. We're supposed to be out of this disgusting murk, but we've been dealing with it all day long. So this low pressure system finally slowly moves away. We have fair weather for tomorrow, light northwest winds, weak high pressure. And then we're watching this next storm system that's going to get itself together offshore for Friday. So looks like we are still in that east, this part of the ridge right here, which should keep us dry on Friday. But then we might have to deal with the chance of showers back in the picture. Look at this intense low as it literally makes a direct hit on Nova Scotia. And that could keep a band of showers close to our area on Saturday as that moves away. And then for Sunday, we have fair weather, or at least it's not raining, but I think there's still going to be some clouds. Here comes the next low pressure system for Monday, and then we got a high that's going to try to build down for next week and hopefully bring us a dry, at least a dry spell of at least more than a day. It's funny, even though we're below normal with the rainfall, it feels like it's just been raining a lot, but every day it's just been light rain all day. And then the next system wouldn't be until later next Friday, which I'm not even going to go that far into the long range. So let's take a close look at what is going to be happening here, especially with this storm here. as it looks pretty intense here, pretty deep low. We're going to go again to the winds here. Looking at these winds here on this rather deep low pressure system that's going to form offshore. We won't see any effects, but Nova Scotia, the Canadian Maritimes, it looks like you definitely will have some pretty significant effects from this. But for us, we should be escaping any of the serious effects. So let's go to the HRRR now, all right, and take a look at our, yeah, we'll have it on temperatures, so I guess we'll keep, this is the 22Z HRRR for temperatures, and we'll go ahead and we'll move this along, and you'll see here, we finally, the cooler air finally really gets in. It really doesn't start moving in until after midnight. Then we finally start cooling it off, and then tomorrow we should have a nice day, of course. That's as much as I'm going to get on the HRRR at 18Z. So let me shift over to the GFS here to get an idea of what's going to be happening for tomorrow. So here is tomorrow, and you'll see here that you have temperatures generally in the low to mid 60s across the area. And then at night, things don't drop off quite as much. And then for Friday, we have highs again similar to where they were on Thursday, but then we have cooler air moving into the picture because we got this storm is going to wrap down some cold air. So Saturday again, we got that chance of showers, some clouds probably around, and temperatures probably struggling to reach the mid 50s. Sunday a little warmer. So let's go look at the cloud cover forecast on the GFS, and you'll see tomorrow we should have a decent amount of sunshine, especially over Long Island. Has us completely clear all day. More clouds for Friday, though. It won't be cloudy all day. There'll be some sun, high clouds mixed in. And then there you can see the storm, obviously, keeping us in the clouds for Saturday. And then maybe Sunday we get a little sun before the next batch of high clouds rolls in with the next system. We can also look at the NAM as well. At this. Clears it out. And then tomorrow, mostly clear over Long Island, though. It looks like it does have a few more clouds, perhaps over New Jersey. But then that'll be clear over Long Island, and then Friday we'll be dealing with some more clouds. Let's go to the RGEM as well. You see here's the RGEM. Yeah, RGEM seems to want to have some high cloudiness, particularly over New Jersey. But Long Island should be okay most of the day. I think should have nice skies. Tomorrow's the best day when it comes to skies. Friday we'll probably have some cirrus around. And then, like I said, maybe we can clear it out on Sunday, but that's already a ways off. Comes to sky forecast. Let's go to the 18Z HRRR. Let's go to that 18Z HRRR because I want to go and look at the next chance of precipitation. All right, now that we finally get rid of these rain showers tonight slowly. It's really hard struggle to dry it out. Tomorrow dry, and then Friday. Looks like we should stay dry on Friday. And I want to look at the dew points with this as well. So I'll show you how this is the dampness, literally. It's just going to take a while. It's going to take until probably midnight to get these dew points to start coming down. And then finally some drier air finally moves in. But it's taking a lot longer. But the good news is it'll be with us tomorrow and Friday as well. So your dew points will be in the 30s. And that should feel a lot better than it is right now because it feels kind of, just damp out there, drizzly, and you get the rain still lingering. It's ridiculous how long it's taking to get rid of this. It really is. Absolutely ridiculous. Let's go and look at the, well, I feel like I'm leaving something out. Maybe I'll look at the temperatures again on this. So here's the temperatures on this for tomorrow. And it looks like it's warmer over Jersey. Not surprising. Look at Jersey. You got oranges over Jersey, so maybe mid to upper 60s in Toms River. But Long Island, you see a little more greenish, so that would be temperatures more in the more toward around 60 degrees. It's just very hot in Jersey. And the same deal again on Friday. So, just a very hot place there. Very hot. I mean, it's not going to be hot, but I'm just saying it's amazing how this short distance, it's like New Jersey is like, well, I'll just draw here for a minute here. So New Jersey is like this. All right, so New Jersey is sort of like a mid-Atlantic climate. Like this is like this whole area here is like a mid-Atlantic. Well, let me clear that out here. Started like over here. This whole area right here This is like a mid-Atlantic climate right here. All right, it's just hot. Hot. All right, for whatever reason. This is a hot area over here, and it's getting hotter because it's just in a certain spot geographically that it's being able to maximize all the additional heating of the planet of the global warming. And New Jersey is the fastest warming state. It really is. I mean, I can pull that up right now. And you can actually put New Jersey fastest warming. So if I put this in here, you'll see here, NJ is one of the fastest warming states in the United States. This came out in 2018. But NJ, here's another article from APP. NJ is warming faster than most of the country. It says here, New Jersey is heated by nearly 2 degrees Celsius, or 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit, since the turn of the last century. That's double the average. So that is what I mean. New Jersey is very hot. It's going to get even hotter. It's, you know, people who don't like the heat, it's not really a good place. People like me, obviously, which is why I don't want to ever have to live there. Even though a certain group of people is trying to push us out and saying that's a better place for us. No, not a better place for me. You know, I'll just die in the heat. I mean, yeah, sure. This is a difference now, but when we fast forward a month or two, when Long Island is 75 and they're 90 degrees, you know, then you see why. You know, it's just much hotter there. You know, some people like the heat, and that's fine. You know, that's why a lot of seniors like to move down there, I guess, because a lot of seniors generally prefer warmer weather as they get older. It's funny, as I've gotten older, I've only gotten less tolerant of the heat, which is kind of interesting. You know, here I am talking about the heat. But anyway, expect a nice day tomorrow. Enjoy it. We get rid of this gloom right now over our area. We'll look at this radar here for a moment. And you see here again, it's still got these showers that just crawling, just moving very slowly. Originally, it was supposed to clear out. It was supposed to be dry by 4 or 5 o'clock. We were supposed to dry out, but that has not happened. So it's delayed by about 5 to 6 hours. This front. So it's going to wrap up this weather update. Take care and thanks for watching. And of course, I'm not going to forget about this. Happy Cinco de Mayo. It is, after all, May 5th. Thanks for watching.